Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your WordPress website to Mailchimp using Elementor in 2025 so that you can collect your emails, build your newsletter list, and automate marketing with ease. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your WP admin dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of add plugin. Now, first of all, the first plugin that you need to install and activate is called Elementor. So as you can see, this is Elementor website builder. You need to install and activate it first. Afterwards, you need to install this particular plugin, which is called Mailchimp for WordPress. So this is MC4WP. Simply click on the install button right next to it, then click on the activate button. So this actually helps your website to connect with Mailchimp account very easily. Now once this is done, it will look something like this. Over here you can simply just hover over to the left hand section and click on this plugin. This is Mailchimp that we have here in the right hand section. So over here basically you need to log in into your Mailchimp account first. Then you will be able to go to the accounts, then go to the extras option and use the API key. You need to copy the API key from your Mailchimp's dashboard and paste it over here, then click on the save changes option. Once this step is done, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on Elementor. Here in your Elementor, simply select the forms option. Now in the forms widget, you need to add the name, the email, and then select the option of action after submit and select the option of Mailchimp. So once this step is done, you will be able to click on the Mailchimp stamp below the form settings and choose your audience list and match the form fields to Mailchimp fields. Once you are done with it, simply click on the publish option or the submit option and check your Mailchimp list. The contact should appear instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.